Hello? 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 Okay, so let's learn about MCP. Projects. Specification. That's the game. Development tools. Exchange. MCP follows a client-server architecture. Peace serves. Okay. Note that the MCP server refers to a program that serves context data regardless of where it runs. MCP servers can execute locally or remotely. Other servers locally on the same machine because these use it's referred to as local MCP server. Okay, just skip over that for now. Okay, primitives. Most important concept within MCP. They define what clients and servers can offer each other. These primitives specify the types of contextual information can be shared with AI applications and range of action and form. MCP defines three core primitives that servers can expose: tools, executable functions that AI applications can invoke to perform actions; file, API-able database query; resources, data sources that provide contextual information; file contents, database records, API responses; prompts, reusable templates that help structure interaction with language model. Okay. So, if we think about this three primitives, like a weather application tool would be check the weather. So it would be like what the weather was yesterday or what the response you get from the API is. And prompt would be like you're a weather reporter, so given this weather, explain in a certain way, for example, right? Each primitive type. Each primitive type has an associated method for discovery, list, retrieval, get, and in some cases execution. MCP clients will use lessons. Just mute for a sec. This parent is allow MCP server others to bear something station. Okay, that's probably notification. Okay. Data blah 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 blah. Right. I think what I need is now to get an example. Server concepts. This is client concept. Okay. I think there was an example here. Oh, it's just down here. Okay, then let's get that. Let's see. Learn how to connect Claude to remote MCP servers and extend its capability with internet hosted tool and data sources. Remote MCP servers, extend AI application. Okay, many clients now support remote MCP servers and enable a wide range of integration. This guide demonstrates how to connect remote MCP using Claude as an example. Many clients can support MCP. So Claude here is a client. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Cool. What are custom connectors? For the complete context of external transfer, custom connection. Connecting to a remote MC. Okay, we will give this a try. I don't know if it's a regular Claude interface will allow me. Let's see. Will allow me to birth date. But I don't want you guys to see that because I use my birthday everywhere. Right, let's see. I'll just stay with the free plan. If anybody works Claude, hook a brother up. Just call me Stack. Let's go. Coding, design, learning, study. Yeah, maybe I will install that. NPM. So that's the whole thing. So I will go Node.js, get Node.js. Using, I think, or get a pre-built. Yeah, Standalone binary. I think I'll just go with installer. And then if I go here, that's done. That. Other two, absolutely not. Except program files, doesn't really matter. Runtime. Add to path. NPM, yeah. Tools. Okay. I will do that as well. So I will go Visual Studio. This is a brand new machine, so in case you wonder, that is why. I will do that, and I will do this. Install yes, and so continue. And I think this should be finished. So that's finished. This will continue later. I will just go into this. I will just install it first. So I'll go here, terminal, and in case you don't see this, I'm just installing Node.js. npm you know what? ChatGPT, this. I got this error on my terminal that tells me I cannot. Why does it open PowerShell though? Can I open terminal? Yeah, PowerShell should be able to. And settings. Oh, never mind. Yeah, doesn't matter. I will just copy this. And that's so annoying that I cannot just do this for now. Please tell me you copied that, okay? You're getting blah blah blah. So PowerShell. Okay. PowerShell. Check your current policy. Okay. Yes. That's not what I meant to do. Get doesn't have tab autocomplete. Okay, that just takes a second. Restricted. Copy that. Yes. Okay. Maybe I need to use shell terminal, and I will try go this. Nice. seem to work. So I got that running. Okay, here I got. Oh, I could have installed Node.js here, but I didn't know that. Python, yes. Okay. Okay, that will continue in the background. I was just downloading. I don't know what this one is for. Okay, so that was the onboarding, and I guess here. Look at this read one. Ooh, okay, so I guess this is pro feature. Huh, that's not fun. Let's see. What can I do? Okay, so I guess this is pro feature. Huh, that's not fun. Okay, so I do know that you don't have to do it here, because you can do it in Cloud Code, and you can do it in other places like Cursor, I believe, and other, like even they mentioned VS Code. So for now, we will explore that, but then we'll connect to a local server. this is cloud desktop and file system. Okay. Okay, we got a gist of what MCP is. That was actually a very nice logo. I really like it. I really like the logo. Let's see if there are any other nice explanations. Maybe this host, nope. MCP, blah blah. Okay, so we're here. I think that is my thing. That's okay. Alright, and then I believe archived. So this is different MCP servers, I believe. All voice. Is that all voice? Ooh, that's quite a lot. Okay, so my best bet here is to pick one server and just use it. I can use the SDK as well to write a project, but I think I will try to use a server. Okay, before we do that, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna go into yeah, that's a lot of things have MCP. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to one of the sites that has probably better filtering than that and find an official MCP server. Firewall. This, they kind of have the same thing going on, right? I'll use that. Or at model context protocol. Let's see if that works. Okay. That took a while, but that's not really what I wanted now. I really wish I need to stop that automatic signing. But there's Postgres, this Sentry here to use, but I want something much more fetch and let's do file system. File system. What's this? It's gonna open? No. Okay. Postgres. Okay, but before we do Postgres, I go into this. I can't go into that. That's very, very disheartening. Featured. Just want time. Please have no sign up. A model control provides time. So I can get time. I can convert time. Okay, this is pretty nice. I think if I do playground, I probably have to sign in. Connect, yeah. I can see why, but let's see. Overview. Specific time on it? Yes. Okay, that's very nice. This memory, that could be interesting to look at. But I think we will start with that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try npm I'm gonna download VS Code because we also need that, and then we can get on to this. So let's see if I can capture. I'm going to go here and install this real quick so we can see. We can use a terminal and we can use that. I think in terms of nodes, I don't need it that much, but see. Nope. Yeah, I guess so. I'm just installing Visual Studio Code. I think it's probably my favorite editor. I used to use another one called Sublime Text. I don't know if that's still around. Huh, still around. And then I switched to Atom. Still there. Oh, looks very nice, not gonna lie. And then I finally switched to Visual Studio Code and haven't looked back since. I think there's only one I tried. Nope. Zen Text Editor. I think it was Zen or Zod. Z. Yeah, so this was supposed to be super fast, but there's nothing really that made me want to switch to this. Like, it looked minimalistic, which I really like, but I think I just got too used to VS Code and kind of got like, okay, why do I need to switch again? So that's why, probably. Now you can use Copilot, GitHub. Yeah, so let's do that. Actually, GitHub. See if we can. I think I have it, and let's see if I do. Okay, then I don't. Then states and I like that username, and I will reject that and continue. Okay, so continue with GitHub. This should work. Continue, authorize, and launching, and open, and closed. Nice. So here we go. Ask about. Okay, make changes. Okay, mark is done. Look, okay, it's done. Get started. Browse quality, GitHub. GitHub dark dimmed. GitHub dark. I don't know which theme. I like dark default. I like that. It's pretty good. Rich support. Languages. I think I'll just do Python. And I'll just do Python for now. PowerShell. No, not doing that. Yeah, and then we got tune your settings. Sync, font size. I think I'll stick to the basics for now. I can change those if I need. Command palette. Mark is done. And the fundamentals. Yeah, probably install Git would be good. Yeah, I'm literally going through just VS Code things to make it show connection starter. No. Okay, I don't know what that was, but for now, we got Visual Studio Code running. I have idea that this can open if I go here and choose okay. So now I